Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating essentials: squad fitness, player roles, and a clear training focus. Once done, set a 7-10-day regimen targeting stamina or tactics depending on fixtures. This builds immediate gains. Next, assign 50% of your daily training budget to core drills that produce consistent attribute increases. Make sure to bench injured or fatigued players to avoid regressions. You're initiating momentum now, not experimenting. Prioritize reliable progress and log results after the first session. Once the camp is underway, you must manage load and progression. Rotate players every 3 sessions to limit fatigue and maintain match readiness. That keeps form steady. Pair 2 specialized drills each day, one physical and one technical, so attributes improve in balance. Monitor morale closely and adjust training load by plus or minus 15% to avoid drops. Also switch focus if an upcoming opponent exposes a weakness. This targeted change amplifies training value and improves match performance. You conclude camp by tapering intensity in the final 48 hours and prioritizing recovery to lock in gains. Review attribute increases against your goals, then reassign training slots to address any remaining gaps. Make sure to top up morale with light, positive sessions and give match minutes to keep rhythm. If regressions appear, immediately cut training load by 30% and reevaluate after 3 days. This prevents long-term loss. Following these steps secures the camp benefits and prepares your squad for competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.